What's up guys, I'm having this watch over here and I will try to make it smaller, and by that I mean to take out some of the links, because as you can see it's too big. Let me just put it on. So it's kind of too big. I will try and get one or two links out, and I will do this with this sim eject tool. Okay, so I think everybody should have such a tool. Now let's get going, because these sim eject tools that I have are cheap and bad. I have a bunch of those in case that one of them is bending, just to have another one ready to do the job. Alright, so if you turn the watch upside down, you will see some arrows on the links. So you can only take out the links with arrows, and of course you have to respect the arrow, and by that I mean that you have to take it out like this. If the arrow is pointing that way, you will have to eject it from here, right? I mean, it's logic. So let's try and take one of the links out. You have to just press really hard like that, and you will see that this will come out. Alright, so now I can take my watch apart just like this. So now I will remove this other one as well, because I will remove a link from this side and a link from that side. Alright, so again you have to push very hard, and it just bent. I will try with another one. And that's it. So we got one link out. Now I will just put it back together just like this and insert this pin back. Now once it is almost full inside, just take any piece of metal and push it until it snaps, just like that. Alright, so it has to snap, and it has to be like full inside. Now let's take one link from the other side out. again I'm going to take a look at the arrows, so I will push from this side. Alright. Okay, the link is out. Now let's put it back together. Now remember, when you put it together, you have to put it from the side that the arrow is pointing at, alright? So that's it. I think not. I have to push it a bit more because it's kind of outside. Alright, now it's good. You can see that it's fully inside. Alright, so let's see how it is now. Way better, right? So thanks for watching. Bye.